everyone and welcome. Do you want to delete all the downloads you've made on Soundcloud but you don't know how? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. You see, first of all, I need to know something. There isn't a direct delete all downloads feature on SoundCloud, so you will need to delete them individually. Now here's how. One, you need to access your downloads. So on the SoundCloud website, go to your profile page and click on the downloads tab. Now you can access your website using the browser on your phone. Then once you get into the downloads tab, find the downloads section within your library. Now once you've done that, you start deleting individually. Hover over each downloaded track and click the trash can icon that appears. Now that is if you're using the website. So if you're using the website, just hover over each downloaded track and click the trash can icon that appears. But if you're using the app, tap the three dots next to the track you want to delete, then select delete. Now this process might take some time because you're going to delete every one of them individually. So it depends on how many downloads you have. That's how long it's going to take. Now, I need you to note that deleting tracks from your SoundCloud account is permanent and cannot be undone. So think twice before you do it. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.